Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, there's a drought where I live, and this should be 10 times bigger, and I should be standing in water. I'm on a hike, and there's a waterfall. It's cold. I'm wearing shorts. This isn't the best idea. It's October, and it's 11th, and I'm freezing. That goes all the way down there. I want to find something to do here. Wait, I gotta show you guys something. See? Look. What? Wait, I need to see if I can climb this without dropping my phone. I almost fell. Climbing with phone is not the best idea. I did it! This is the other part. It's not as cool, but it still is cool. Okay, subscribe. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's part 2. I'm up here, higher up the stream or waterfall, river, whatever you will call it. But I'm up here. Whoa, that would have been bad if I fell. And yeah, oh. And yeah, you can see the it was all the way down there. And remember me being all the way up there and beyond. Now I'm right here next to a giant canyon with a giant waterfall. I have to get my foot with that so I don't fall. This is so sick! Look at that waterfall. I'm gonna have to get to a better spot to record that. But, oh my gosh, this is so scary. Look at that tree. Sorry the sun, but look at that tree right there. Oh my god. Whoa, I thought I was falling down when I stepped there. Oh god. Oh jeez, oh my. Okay, see what this is. Running with camera, oh, it's just a road. Okay, I'll make a part 3. Guys, I was over there, now I'm over here. Again. If you saw Thaddeus make a video called Tallest Mountain in the World, that's not compared to this mountain. So Thad, I'm not copying you because I had to make a video on this. It's so cool. I just had to. Not. Okay, subscribe. Guys, I'm over here now. Look at how big that canyon is. It's bigger than it looks, okay? Look how far down that is. That is at least 50 to 100 feet. You would die. Bye.